Antshwara bra.
Di beef tsa bona no se di frostane braga because nna ka ne ke di bala ka teng. Ha odi ya va. Makimo le bona gore a rena ba se ba heditse ditori tsa bone le daki. Sharp ne le gore go replace wa o dirile ka makimo because ke ba shaya sound e one ya matlhale. So ba crying sene re se dirile kae
re ba bankanyeditse ba
so re ba betseng sengwe pina e teng go go tsaya lentswe laka o bo le ntsha bo tsala ga mmandla bo le pega go di mogalaka la ga done gona na mpulelela le ntse le temo teng
o were iska ka hupelo ba di wa bona ga tswa sa rate topic yo me bra
and kana ke santla and imagine how
nobody it's important to clarify
we've never talked about this before
all sides
we've never talked about this before and I think this is why I think a lot of your story kai bue because ga le bu
ngare bu ra ke ne ra khona after that we still made it bro
I think your story in all of that kana ke one ke botsa because in all of yone ntwa yone ya ga ibila re ska erikiela ya ga re ramko ya ga re ramko le mamphizi it had a lot of casualties wa bona ke raya like I'm saying when I went and it was being signed there ne le gone gore gona le sengwe gate go mamphizi ya kana o mone season o tloga mamphizi ya ke tlo ke khaola so odi na ile gore go tshabiwe go signa batho gore so I can only imagine gore no lane le ha kae go no
wa kwa kerano so na re gore re tsike wa bona but
and it's crazy gore if he believed gore mamphizi is such a backstabber why would he sign Makimo
kwa ntlhalogana ngondo
no barona eja cause no gabereka
Nikra for him for it's a business move but I'm saying all of you guys were all there together so you guys were clearly the ones that were loyal to Mampizi
exactly
so Horar Majita bone ba bona opportunity and they took it so everyone thought at that point took advantage of what they could Mampizi and went on with what he could but that left you guys where
utsena khomotsa ka me bra ne re khomotsa ka ile re utla go mo ka betsa mo ditla ba re khome bra lene una bua lene
ne rena le dining yeska ya gore a o etsa ngoma go studio right tsara chintemba ka yo ra go tla re dlala da go lebella gore ke go iregalang so re kwa rena le Mampizi le autia hantse re ntira bona mogolo ma era wa phaza a khandele ruka ithu
because not just that
actually
tunya
ona
o dirila balla
no swear no but
we don't like a dikeledi ne re le mmogo gone re bila ba re agents na re le go ndropa le tla boela da na ra go latla o di be re boela da rona ke re va re le thura ikitsa re tshabisa
hands mo masupatsele
na re tsana hela bra be re boela kwa rona then go ne be ra go plana gore okay ngoma ya rona e tsiro ya ke ra go tsamai
rejelo
e be ra go tsama manyoloi ara go tsama manyoloi gore ha o ka di bala sentle gore empulele kya khama
I remember
haere uskantswala re kya khama
no that was the hardest house question diss track ever I can wait to like
uskantswala ni ntsilo wa rona lena so ne re kya khama
I agree if you create something on namotlofa o tla re go ntlene re empulele uskantswala wa ntshwara kra so party go ra re ba wina business move dirleng ele go direga wa ntshwara kra so ebe e re hupelwa re boela studio never empulele kya khama wa ntshwara eso uskantswala wa ntshwara kra so you can't anga se tsepina o ska be ke bapisana lo yana mo go bapileng thata ke se game wa ntshwara kra
ke khale ba ipotsa emino o tswa kae ke khale ba ipotsa ba kwalwa ke boma wa dijale
wa stressa to
ka tempa
no la itse mala itagari khatle ka lona la itse
of different identities. Podcast with PODI-CAST.
Yo, what's poppin', everybody? What's going on? It's your boy SCAR. Welcome to another edition of the Podicast, coming at you from Leo's Inn right here in Gap City. Okay, so you do know there are other Leo's Inns all across BW. You can check out the Leo Inn right here, Hamoguditani. There's one also in Tabong where you can get some affordable accommodation for you and yours. This is where we come at you every single Wednesday right here on the Podicast on the local media, local corner, multimedia. So yeah, local corner multimedia. Make sure that you check out every single Podicast episode right there, okay? And yeah, shout out to our drinks providers, team agencies. Our guests as well, what they think about it. And yeah, that's really what we're getting down to. And shout out also to our partners at Techno. Yeah, we love the merchandise, man. The telephones, all of that. We'll tell you all about it. They were over Kago Trade Fair the other day and doing that thing. So I hope you guys got to check out all of the great technology that they got out there and available all across the country. They're one of those phone brands that all over the country. So make sure that you get yourself some of those nice gadgets. But apart from that, another show, another day. We're hanging out with BW Royalty. All right, these guys have had chart toppers ever since we got to see them under the Black Money Makers record label. It's always been the two-man crew. You can't have one without the other. You know what I mean? All the time, they give you hits like Manyoloi, they gave you hits like Masupa Tsela, and to think like these niggas actually showed up before the dawn of the millennium, because Batswana was like about 1998 before they actually started to release music. So it'd be nice to hear all about that music journey. Without further ado, in the house we're joined by Mr. Anthony Patima and Mr. Tabang Seisa, better known as Don and Auntie from Exoda.
Finally.
What's up, guys?
What's up, my bro?
Sharp.
SCAR. What up, bro?
I'm good, Papa.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, but I'm going to
Tata. Yeah, no, true.
These ones, I know them for real. Today we're having ourselves some Okavango. I can see. This drink is coming. Let me just read a little bit about it. Do. We produce our craft beer from the finest quality ingredients, including locally sourced millet and mineral water from the Okavango Delta. So it is about Botswana. What do you guys think?
Nice. Yeah, well, Okavango.
Hey.
Yeah, well.
When you taste it, we guy.
No, like Leo's in ya, no, but chill vibes, you know what I mean?
Nah, me, my brother. Dog. Yeah, but I'm so happy you guys managed to come
through. Brother. No, thanks for having us.
Let's say aunties.
Yes, sir.
My brother.
Sharp. All the time, my brother. I just want to start off. Where were you guys this weekend? Or like Latesha blind?
Yeah, true. We were by some club go Malotwan.
Malotwan.
Malotwan. Naratana. Malotwan is Yes. No, there's a club called the Lovers Inn or something like that. Yeah. But it was a great show though. Thanks for the support.
But that's what's crazy about it. Like you guys have always had that where you guys are able to get into any type of setup.
Yes, sir.
How does anyone get booked in Malotwane? Because to this day, all these other young people are trying to get into Botswana. How do you get so deep after years of not performing?
No, the thing is the support is out there, me bra. The outskirts, me bra. Why not go to the people? You want to support them mostly. So our people's rona mostly rona by Exodus. I
know.
Yes, sir.
But I think before we get into all of that, I think a lot of people, because you're mysterious and Can't because
No problem, no
people feel like you are probably the quietest one in the crew. But I think a lot of the time in the interviews, even more. So I'll start with Auntie.
No problem.
Sure.
Where did you grow up, Auntie? And
Braya kana ke goletse mo Cap City. Ke soletse wa Marina da Brawa. Ke lezitse mo toropong tota ke motho le toropong. So autia ga e re tlhakane bogologolo blind ka bo ma 98.
98,
Yeah.
This is what? Standard 6, standard...
Bangwe gone e ke tsa gore ke ne ba bala bo bokalo. So re tlangane go division ne. Division e le ntho ya rona tota ne re betsa tota sharp ha re qala rona. Ne re le bo majaiva nyana ne re se 2 entle. Ne re le bo 5 mara ne re na le gama le lengwe e se Exodus.
Ne le bidama
Amagents amaginza.
Amachantsa maginza.
Lente na gore.
No kora ke re
a re ke godile ana. Amagents amaginza.
Kore le rona re ne ra bona ya gore le gama le le rondo da
Ilor ne le maginza mme ne le mathata a batho kana ne go jaiviwa.
No jaiviwa.
No nna go tsa bo izo di le mo fashion so we felt like we against us amagents amaginza wa bona.
Me go sa sengwe.
No nyayo no.
Gore para yang jaiva yang. Ya lo wa bona.
I feel that.
Yes,
so a be ra kela ruri le doni majita mo tseleng ba ntse ba lapa tlhaloganyo mara na re lapi.
That's fine.
Pusha le e leng gore ra enganyo wa bona.
Ilor me let's get les akae kana go tseo. Explain to me when describe le bo di neighborhoods tsa teng gore crew ke ba bana ba tswa mo di neighborhoods tse dintseng ya.
Tota sharp braga ke nna ne ke tlhaga ko Kasi yeah from Marua Pula
Majita. From the burbs, bro.
You're from the burbs. Kind of I've always known though.
Majita ne ba tlhaga
no.
Majita ne ba tswa bona no tswa ko Kasi.
That's why no ga kopana sentle or Kasi burbs.
Yeah, no. And that's why it works. That's why it works.
Yeah.
Go le serile yang Scarlett go tleregile gore nkare Zola Bontleng West City 27 16 ke tsone di Kasi. Kasi ke ibuang ke Marua Pula. Ke se ke center dading.
And I underestimate you a lot of the time. I think
mara ke Kasi. Yeah.
No, I think we introduced you to get drama boy mostly ka di story tsa gagwe. But ha ile re motho a mo ga borone wa itse gore Marua Pula Lone is listed in one of those.
Yes.
Street.
Why no tlhaga
Nah, from the burbs, bro. Like I said, bro.
Because you guys have different upbringings completely.
Yeah,
So like one or link it's okay and why gonna go lona e be gonna realistic with each other like that. I think I'll give that to you, Don.
Yeah,
no. Why you I mean, you should hear this nigga talk English. He's got a twang. But auntie, you can tell what aunties are all other, another side of the spectrum. Yeah, okay, he's really within himself.
That's where it go balance.
Idealize one, but
yes, sir.
Can you describe to us one or linky the young one also guy and young? How apart from just the crew or look up to Kio and Vivi?
No, we told I was schooling go Flagstop, go South Africa, ne? So back then 94, that's when I got change. I really change. I quite to say now. Once 94, I got apartheid. What. So quite to it's Ebeke hits. I go sing Congress. Coming back to Botswana, what I've got the love for quite. Once I got ki tla le ene mo Botswana. We met. Anta direlo tsa gago go be ke re mara me bra ke na le tshiditsa botsa ka roske tla tlo go reetsa remix wa ntshwara ke aga nna obviously ke tla ke tswa ka kwa a school there for years wa ntshwara ke ra kwa ito ke utlwetse ka kwa ha se molola bona ka ba 1994 wa ntshwara so kantele ene kwano is got the same passion for kwa ito wa bona so nna ke tla ke bile ke tlema ba South Africa nya bra na bile ne ke gela za da tswere tsa ka roski da ba thaitse tsa ka roski lo ke bua ka eng wa bona go betsa bo brothers of peace wa ntshwara grang ebe ke tla ka music a re tsa no mara uthi ya qavena so ora rotlhe rata eng kwaito mara wa re se create le something yana re le go jaiva just since when I se tsitse go jaiva ba le nna ke tlima gore a ke re ntse ke le ka obviously yanong you see what I mean
I feel that I can
now see you get nna ke tsile ka that thing it dirageletse ke le ka kwa na le ka kwana
a re itse buru mntaka
ke se dira kwa sgela me bra was doing Africans me bra so Tswana Xhosa wa Tswana I said nah
So about language le ka
I said natural. I thank to my parents. Thank you.
It's always been like an interest more now. Okay, because
how come?
How come you guys are from such different backgrounds, but you guys have been friends ever since. And I know you guys can get into arguments. Hold on accountable. When the crew breaks up, why do you think it broke up, and why do you think you guys stayed together? Let's hope you get blind, or
it's ordinary dirang. O motona mo go nna wa bona. So gona la re tshameka ka teng, la re hella ka teng, like his personal things. I don't want to be involved. One try kra gore let's say gongwe after a show ne re tshwere zakanyana manager or feeling someday you can go play once go hella go gongwe once re cause gongwe ra go itumela too much e be smola re qabana once so you make sure ra part after work you just like a 3 hours 4 hours just chill vibes go tswa mo tswana ra go kopana ka tiro le nno ke gona re kopana you see what I mean go ra go tlape ya go ke mo tlape ya ra wa ntloela so you make sure we give each other space you see what I mean yes ke one o mo go ra treat him like my brother I feel that.
Yeah, bro. You don't want the drama.
No, kind of like you say, bro. That's fair. You know what's bro.
No, you don't pack all about Batswana. Asala single listening. Oh, packing routine. I don't want.
Kante why majito ba batla go tlhasela gutiana
kanepe
ke ba itse ka siami
when I pakolotse straight up I'll always be
bro.
So ya no
and gape scarlet rona re le thusone da re ke tsang gore ya re siza go re thu ga re baya wa ntlhaloganya so bothu ba rona bo ira gore re khone gore re bue re tlhaloganye sane grand is ka re tuile kwa 4 ile ko begote kana mala ke ba 4 ba ile kwa tuile ko so 2 are bereke
ra fosega
you have to face each other and rapa ha you guys are straight like that you won't compromise more in le bolella never wa bona kra I respect that so Luana Utenika, I mean, just so, but
everyone
has to be focused, and I appreciate that because that's how you grow. Little crew. I want to talk about this little detailing so that we have a little more and it's why I get about to
sure. No, Nagi Gelizi go not any primary school still. More gaps. Yeah, Vikiamaoka. Ebe ke gcenas gela ne be ke hustle nna ke nna o wa ke
o ga nna go from 4
ke patle dinaza patle dibetse
no na ke ganne
you have to explain it to me or how does that work o ta boro ira yang motlatleng ile rena ba re motlatleng kana kwate
no ne so re ke khanya bodipa helo wa bona ne ke segena le that thing e leng gore ke ana tefelwa ya no ke groove na sa le ke dladile di brats tse di tona ke khona go a di show le bone ke khona go kra sengcanenyana ebe ke feel gore marana style sa mekisi
was it because of the talent ka gore o itse go jive ne ba go peka ya ba khona gore ba go tsenye di ideas tsa teng
ne ba mpeka ba lebile one diedeng because gape ke khona go ruta go jive wena o ntse ke re wa mpeka wa di jaja braka
I feel that damn ya nkola pembareng ba ne ba se khona gore ba ka irang kana no pretend go va o survive
no ne ke khona go pretend go vaya mara ke sa vaya ke khona go chafa body di all star di dikisi ke di chafa go sele ke tsoka uniform mara ke slice v
no sa war no sa ha bangwe ba ntse ba va kra ha o ya kanya re ba go lu no gona no nyana ha o lebella backwards gore no feel ya no sa ware no sa tshoge gore nna ke go hella kae
mara ke heletse ke nna ware di blend ke bona gore kana o itsore ke music wa mo rounding so rona le nyuko e kalo wa di judge so majita ke bo barracks mane gona o tlhoka gore bona le letseno each and every month o kenye something sure
son when I write so
potso ne
no after book stop
I started off go Bentham started 1-2 e be ke transfera ke a gone ko Msanzi go itlhela ke tla junioring ko Moselapula yes
ke go bona gone go
yes re kopana gone ko my friend then after Moselapula from 4 from 5 le Dumang
okay o bo betsholla kana ke nna ke botsa khanya
mara we tlo nna go ira ga tsala badi because ga ba interested to gape ra tlotla ke
no gape ke so re bana ba bone gore listen this life stuff any formula to success dog everyone has their own way ya go va
mara ke itse ke gakologelwang gape Scarlett ke gakologelwa ene mpintša ka ke mo khapile na go nngwe a re wa go tshuna di-humanities a re wa go register
go basko
ne ke qualify
a findisiwa ke direntse le tse di-freshers ball go tlhakatlhakana
no is right ne ka
moragonetse sa go register ka go
no ne so boda le bad ne je qualify le nna me bra wa ntshwara ke rang gore ke go tsena gone ko UB da me bra like he's saying wa ukara nang kapile that's brotherly love me bra wa tshwara ke rang nna ke nna be ke go kana go te nna ntino go te mampizi
kana kwara peace
no ke ra kholo se gore ena ba re se UB no listen
re mo ndleleng
re mo tseleng ra ka ga kologela
go register ya le gore ba tla go geleza go UB
a ba re lebetse na bana na thora zalo bana ayo
e bera go itala itie gore la ito gore a ro etla le bala wa bona before khanya go register go UB da bana gona go 2 years like gona lady wa bona ka ra ga ma go dirile ya ke 2.7
double cab
go di class da mano tla ba dive ba re so atla mo 2.7 ke dio dingwe tse di leng gore gongwe di points di hokotsega ya kwa form 5
yeah because other people don't understand what this started early for all of us
yeah
early bona ne le na go tsa rona
gape le modumo wa tsone di fena kana ha go tsana mo di kolong tsone tse a ka nya o jigela kona le dirwa go performa gore no go nna so no ka se go kgona go concentrate
go tlhele
so before we re bua ka en OD gore by the time 1980 this is when you guys are doing your dancing stuff how then do you end up la go javela ene mampizi kana go tseo or they say the first person in la bereka lene as dancers
no he wasn't the first one we started off like ene since I got sala ka 10 wa bona
who are some of the people ba leng gore no ba javela ba leng gore
le brao mogati Eugene
711
ka spana le tsotsitale ya go 2 meter sure
and those were the niggas
yes
most spacing selene le bona
mara na ke tsene ke ba ruta jive
no
ke ela ne bana le dingoma
no le di brazil le gompieno ha ke ba go logela ta se gore no go jive mi kana le jive nyane ngwana
no
ka dine na ke bua
go gape no buelwa ke 2 piece ya dikisa itse ke rela to blind
oh God. So that's about but go rupiso a sharp so how long were you there before you know you decided okay I can work by myself or work with my own crew.
I think last year performance ile ku Lubatsi stadium ke na le Doni
le bo Mozambique
bo Msawawa irlo ke Braludo
August
so ha re tswa go gona no re phatlalla kana wa dlaleng ke a dlaleng be re bona gore ba re sa kopane le ithanyana re khona go bona gore re ya no riza me no wa bona so we decided gore re ne tour go chive re tsoma direct di bai
okay
no go ahead
ke gona for us now decided then I was in the same hood le no OD we got me gona la uthengwana I found her mom go dlaleng his mom and my mom were like ne batsana botlhoko UB so I found OD's mom go dlaleng about wo tswa kae so ne ke tswa rehearsal by then that's how me and him met ke ra OD
go phase 2
ke nna go phase 2 ba clinic ya nona go kwa go masaka kwa bona so ke tlela ma go OD go dlaleng gora go late na ke tswa practicing wa tswa rehearsal ya DJ le 110 betse maro a pool wa mpotsa mama khatma ma go OD nyama ra prisa ra bina ya no tlotlela o le dia ka re me kana le nna ngwana ko tsere computer ka re wa opela computer r wa hopela wa bona mara you should go meet him because director ko bo OD I get the same hood face to yeah pampa chidi okay bra okay nna se tsena le partner raja bona se sona le track a so re one a so gore wena wo pele ona that this pompa tswidi thing then na le my partner e be re tla re bina ko morago re tla bona go ntse go tsama now you see how I think you got the story now.
I'm getting
yes.
it. I'm sure they get it
Auntie
too.
Donny Mampies wa tshwara ka a gona batho ba bangwe tlhaloganye ke 11 e go tla odi le gore o tsene ya o tlhaloganye wa tshwara nna re kopantshitswe ke batsadi le odi ke nna be ke tla ke tlisa tsalaka go odi ana le track one go to pompa tswidi e re jaiva because already now we were dancing. Exactly, and he's got a track. One. It's until one. Wow,
For you to get the story, proper is like when you talk about the computer.
Yes.
Not a lot of people know that story.
You see what I mean? People don't know.
We were trying to make beats on that computer.
Exactly.
Studying lady.
I know you know, bro.
So when you talk about the computer, I'm like, all right.
I know you know. I know you know.
That's nuts, man. All right, so Pompa Chidi because one and he reprogrammed it. Now you guys are starting to do shows. What are some of the type of the shows that you guys were getting into?
One division tsa map bo le gai ya ne re spana ka tsone tseo tse dingwe tsa bo Botswana ne dizama mare tsa go silungung papa
that's what's crazy about it. The private school they support quite.
Yes.
Go plana go go plana go nkile mme go ile go sia bafana ba ngo DJ va tso ka ba ntuela ka bafana ba bangafa ya nna ke ba ruta di movie nyana ela movie nyana tse 2 to 3 ayi bangafa be ke va vi show ya bona re perform a ke bona tsone di jave tse le ra bafana ba mara
but at this point strata blind and then we give them the access. So for you guys, what was the plan? What was there a plan happening at this point? And how often you perform and were you I know that's like 4 questions in one, man.
No, it's all right. It's all right. Brad, wana move har simolana go dira no ona le G unit ne a re ko re bua re tsena ko some marine le tertiary ne re bua le Mampizi ko re ma wena go batla na 50 cent na ke na load bank so ne yamba kwa bona ke ne ba le 3 go re vision ya gore no wena tswelela just be the boss wa bona mara ga re 3 wa bona it's a mahelo go pele ka mara eventually mfethu o tlo re zame that was our deal, no contract, no nothing one try
was a stable mo zero
wa bona no the black man because we had a vision, that's why re ntse ha le na santsa le teng one try though obviously there and there one try e ne re batla tshwana le ene na 50 cent na ke na yamba go na load bank G unit wa bona
I'm getting it, but I'm sure the question that everyone else is now thinking is like, where does then the Eskimos come into this whole thing? You guys are the main dancers for Mampizi at this time. How then does it become Rona Lebone? Because now I know only CD na go.
Kore Scarlito le na nkare ne go le CD mare se ke se ka bang gore there was a point in le gore re binela viro hle Eskimos.
I remember that part.
There was a point in le re binela viro hle Eskimos mare rona kana re kile ka story sa gore rona re batla go itsa mare le two. So there was a show yeng go Mekribu
Game
ke
City.
taba tsa bogologolo Game City
Yeah, yeah.
so re tlile re apere dilwana tsa rona tse dintle ne re rata se dotlo
Yeah,
le gompieno
le no we can
This
see
nigga wearing
white
peach.
one.
Kind of getting involved. Kind of the video man. That's a
Gone
nice
mo-
color.
gone
So,
mo-
O dlala- a ke itse go ngwana o dlala le wena ke tshware sharp.
Eh, no,
Mara ke
ne
itse gore
yeah.
obvious
Eh, no, it's V.
Ke itse gore le cast na le da
Yeah.
so V ho ka sana le I think na stake le album go daki yanong
Of the full album.
ile la malanga e tsena mo staging e performiwa e re itatlhe
Yeah.
gore re simolole gore ano re performele o dirile rotlhe mo stage le di backup dancers tsa gagwe
Yeah.
e be re itatlhele go hakelwa ruri
Because Alamalanga was the one after the bumper introduction.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
I did a little
Introduction.
Presley.
Yeah.
Okay, so ne go sa buiwa pele go ne go ile gore okay re mmogo lona ga ngwe le dira choreography ya lona ha pele majita ba emela ha morago ga go tswa go no go interact ya mo staging kana go
But-
no ne re fana chance like
Yeah.
ha re tsena o di ya kre no ntse o go o tshwere maike wa ditshelo ra tsena re sha ntho ya rona ra tswa mo stage majita ba tsena
ne le yana okay
yeah sure
you want to say something
no.
so with that now you guys start touring together you guys become tighter
Yeah.
relationship ya lona as batho ba ile gore are the support group to Mampizi ne ntse yang kana go yone eo ya no ha ile gore le bereka mmogo.
100 ne
Yeah.
re utlwana plan me bro
Yeah.
ne re utlwana gore no ka ope if mongwe wa studio re tsamaya rotlhe
Yeah.
wa ntshwara ka re kgona go goa rotlhe mo pining wa ntshwara
Gola re go
gore
goa.
tshwanetse gore e re go gateng ga go tswe ba le ba letsetsa ba botle presby ya gona no tsena nda majita wa ntshwara ke rang wa ntshwara ke rang so re tla gorogala ga le kontso ya
Yeah,
go
no,
yang
I
teng
think
wa ntshwara ke rang
go
gore ke mo
rap,
teng okay going to the studio let's say you get to ya majita a mangwalo wa ntshwara ke rang o botsa bone mo exodus wa bone ke check ya paxera ke check ramkhoda wa bone ke ra namalanga ngo bukhateng taku wa ntshwara ke rang obviously a re neng crew let's do this wa ntshwara ke rang wa ntshwara e be nna gona gore tla gore go ha re tlhokala gore go te re mo teng wa ntshwara ke rang obviously ke a that person o tla ba record at that time wa ntshwara ke rang as long as the song is dope babab so ne re spana yalo by then
so re spana here so gore re ke majita ke Eskimos ke Exodus ke OD so OD ra bua ya no ra what's the way forward my nigga ya no cause wa ya no nka re tla di tshella ruri ya no go ire ga langwa ba re no majita na single it's dirang anga ga ra ga le duela so what I will do king ke a go le gafa ka eng ka di album
Okay.
ke zama makimo album ke zama Exodus album then ho tle be le simolano le irain le credit tsa lona ya nyanya le vadi tsela tsa lona mare nna ne ke batla gore ha le sna le drop re ne re itirela eng di show tsa rona re vaese
As a unit.
as a BMA
Right.
that's Black Man Makers bra
Because that's really what the plan also Yagawa I think was
Yeah.
to
Yes.
have the
Thank
label
Yeah.
and encompasses because Marina pala go tswa tota
no go sa duele
no go sa duelo yalo no go se duele majita so the best thing
se ne le go ngwa se craft from di giginyana hale o tlhamala go ga dakile wa ntshwara
yeah no true
so at this point what are you guys are not called as Exodus as yet ne le santse le donela anti le under yone Eskimos as a unit or ne le lona hong bone hong yeah
we've long been Exodus.
when did the name Exodus come up?
Exodus came through when the first track ne ke bua ka one ke ra santsana le pina e one
go
e re pompa tswidi we cancelled that name tsosanye maginza fuck wa bona wa ntshwara go tsena gore abantshwara no itse ke lina la ka ke la tsena tota go bua nnete ene ke bra rona he's the one
so is that
early bra
yeah
ene go tlwe seng go tlatla ke goro ka hupela gona le mongwe na bua dilong
no but okay what we can ask it though I think I should ask it because Majita
ask it bra ask it
when
ask it bra
because when the Eskimos were here the way the name was designed
Maybe
I think it was Mosako
I can go Eskimos sharp, Bashara sharp, Boela no.
I think it was MSK who said,
we are formed in the night, bro. Imagine, bro. We're talking about we started this thing since 98. If someone just come to our native camera, we are to listen to it. I want to and I thought, no, serious.
Like you need to know gore so much taketale zamela di album Linux or as galesta no lele thing kana da ding go go plan
just plan
okay gens kana since ni pizza so marke re batla go bereka ya no re batleng le ka mali no re le ka
tsena mo batho
le ka rekisa
na le maginza ki wa ntlalo that's when Exodus was formed.
I think we can, since we're here. We are here already.
Hey,
because I want to know, okay, when you sit there and you're watching the interview and you're listening to, and Mosako say that, why do you think he, from listening to what he said, what do you think about?
I think it's the last camera action.
Ojele flop diamond flop a jele ko gore ha o kware group e formilwe bosigo e be phakela e release. We had an album before e bidwa Rockstar
from zero
ina le bo zero
those white dudes
in a
Colin French
those white dudes I remember that one. It went through my heart.
Clockworks imagine you let imagine what you let
that time re tuna da de nyo ko Clockworks o dirile ka isa e go ramko so o di ba le lo eno le o lebelle gore
the period tsate
ba fana ga te ba dirile bosigo ile ka moso ba release pina ya Majita kanjani mara Rockstar e releasitswe from Majita ba le ba
ene na le airplanes especially go yarna
mo le tsopang bo kholo
le dog le tsere go di headphone me ba be sore motho ba act on swara gra like what the camera
oh my goodness, I remember that project
exactly, bro.
Rockstar
too much me, but I'll be too
people were wondering why you guys coming with that sound.
That sound was like an urban you see what before the Matalis and stuff
because that rave by slower tempo even as group.
Man, those were some of the dopest jams, and this is like also to speak to like our radio stations. Come on, man, the archive Can I think some of these songs, the oldies and whatever, those are the songs that actually started the music industry in BW. That album was amazing. Like, why did you guys stop working with them niggas? Because le pop. So how does that happen after the Clockworks? During the Clockworks situation, what was your relationship with him? Then what was the relationship with Makimo?
No, we're still tight. I believe he was the one funding the studio project and OD.
Are you serious?
Yes, he's been there, bro. The Rockstar thing.
I think Eskimos abo ene iru go daki still in entelo OD
but it's move
wow sure makimo ba dirile go daki runa re dirile go Clockworks runa re dirile go sengamle
kena lo we tsore ke ne ke khotlile do
so santso ro di ba le gore come o phaga mahela bore Majita ba bazamile bosigo phakele.
How do you say that, bro?
Rockstar. The Rockstar. Kana mathakane ba mona king. Ha ke di Rockstar.
No, guys, we need to get that album back playing because like that, like I remember those jams. Okay, so I don't even know where to go from
this. Obvious. It's a moment, Timo Studio.
Yo. So, all right. So, you guys end up linking up Nathan.
Man.
Lien. This time around, he goes over to Eric. I agree on P-side here like La Malanga thing. La Malanga ne produced P-side. So yeah, no, he's going to do ka se angels
Yes.
so o ntse o na le lona
Yes.
lona le ile rockstar
A re se re sale,
Majita ba dirile jiwa wa ka
Yes, sir.
wa itse kana listen to it makes sense
no
e be le kopanya
go di kopantsha dio tse gore go iragalang gone go so Majita bone ha go iwa ko go ramkhone go latelo ka se angels Majita ba ngadile
ba re
ga ba
That's-
ba har vale vi go ramkho ne ba seo go ramkho
that's the part I think V did say it, bro. He did clarify the Juaneka there was a fallout. That fallout part, that's when Rona Ebervalen Rago Ramko.
we'll go back and check it out as well
Yes. That's the part he says no. Majita then we had a fallout. One so that fallout part, that's when Rona Ebervalen Raga Rago Ramko.
fallout ile
Eh,
e ka tswa e
John,
go no
John,
gore ona batla go ba signa I think le bone they mentioned it gore ba re ke na ba batla and my business about that idea so ne gona le paranoia between class na clashana between bone le
we get in there yeah
flash kana ke drink we regala
no
ke ka wela ka speed yana
this is the last chapter go tshwantse re go nne yana me bra
yeah there's three sides to a story man
this is the last chapter tshwantse re go nne so
yes ba
Majita ba lo itse gape ha ba le go daki ke ena batla go ba saena so rona re di free flow ha ra hela ga ra saenwa go clockworks go duetswe then project beetso
because daki ha ka go ntshayela sometimes
ba baindiwa ke daedinyiwe gore le santse na le 2 years elang go spana mo go yone go daki so ra nna ra e bulela le mamphize ra go parks manthaloga ko eleng ko re ka da me bra ne ra go spaniwa ne la tsena lo tlhela go spaniwa ona le seo ka se la tlhelang wa la tlhela Majita ba record o go klela le daeding ne gona le interlude engwe mo ka se angels ne irua ke Azizi le V
okay
Skitinyana sekananya
yeah
but Majita ba what exodus ke bo man na ba itse ba go tlhoko what still le daeding yo we tse we kopantsha le le a miski ntsa go fe ngondo so bana re go parks re na loadi
and plan ya no ke gone gore re ntse re na le brayo re rile o tla re duela ka di album o na bra go phandla ka music yona re itirela sengane sa
ya re ntse ra khoro
god damn
re ntse re go parks ager
re ntse re go
we doing the tagu we doing the skit ager Azizi wa se the skit at go se bi ga hey man we look like Sara Sencha ba tsora gara excuse Azizi ba pressa there was a gaten radio nyana tsa bogologolo je tsenya CD ba bona this thing o tsenya CD o bo tswala mo go flipa nyana tsa bogologolo e be petsa exola sa teng entsha go mo ne re ipankanyetseng yone pinalo ne ntse go nganywa ka ne tsa ga go nganywe sa ga ma wa bona
hey yo all right so you how then do the homies come back to parks
the homies bra
come back to parks and
SARS or now we couldn't have had access to get to parks without V agere when signed nane re tla hela re le batho ba ga V
I had to beg to get into that place, man.
Exactly no so
Eric is not the type of guy who shine,
so we were following the leader by then he was our leader one sort of so ha project ga wa tagu sena boom wa bana ba re mekana ba kere ba bangwe ba le had that fallout o ba tla o tsenya malate a kana no wa bona production alone tagu made it akere so gora production at e motladitse lona gora nna re ntse re teng kana Azizwe ke ba tla re ba akanyetse something ya re shapetse thunyana tse two that's how that song came through one swar that song me bra ta go bolelela batho ba supi akora gona debate ba tswana ko batho ba modimo ke nna ke until V producer was Mr. Press Beats le Gov Gef ne re le kae 5 done no story wa ntshwara bra and then after that manas na gona le story sa ga le Ramco a ke itse story sa te a kana ne ke le ko morago bra so go ra re ke that track e setse dirilwa ke ne le gore go zamela Majita bo man rona wa ntshwara ke ra so when
re record album
wa bona so before the album got completed we did like 2 tracks ha ba bona tswatseleng skashi ya tswatseleng e mo earthworks ya Eric Ramco le one the track e nang e le mo debating ke bitsa ga go debatewa that was the second track
yo sana hosa
no bua ka dem ko tse e leng go di tswitse ra wa ntshwara kra it wasn't tseleng how ne bone ko the production is there, the songs are done ha ke itse gore bone ka segolwane ko godimo kwana ba qabana ko so ba qabana gore production a rona ke music a rona o sala ke gone ko so we still have to follow the leaders dulo di sala ke gone kwa nna ne re sna deal le bone ne re bua la ke our leader by then wa ntshwara ke ra swara ka ra latela give us our track, you see what I mean ne bone ba ka bo business style ba ka oh okay sharp go ha mo ti gone mona track e ke ona bona so re ka dira yang gore go dira gore ko batho a ke rona re wa re tsamile le diamond so find someone who can do it like ba dirile wa ntshwara bra
di beef tsa bona no se di frostane bra because nna ka ne ke di bala ka teng ha odi ya va makimo le bona gore a rena ba se ba heditse ditori tsa bone le daki sharp ne le gore go replace wa o dirile ka makimo because ke ba shaya sound e one ya matlhale so ba crying se ne re se dirile kae
re ba bankanyeditse ba
so re ba betse sengwe pina e teng go go tsale nswela ka o bo le ntsha bo tsala ga mmandla bo le pega go di mogalaka la ga done gona na mpulelela lintsi le timo te
o were ska ka hupelo ba di wa bona ga tswa sa rate topic yo me bra
and kana ke santla and imagine how
nobody it's important to clarify
we've never talked about this before
all sides
we've never talked about this before, and I think this is why I think a lot of your story kai bue because ga le bu
ngare bu ra ke ne ra khona after that we still made it bro.
I think your story in all of that kana ke one ke botsa because in all of yone ntwa yone ya ga ibila re ska Abigail ya ga re ramko le mamphizi it had a lot of casualties wa bona ke raya like I'm saying when I went and it was being signed there ne le gone gore gona le sengwe ga go mamphizi ya kana o mone season o toga mamphizi ya gito ke khaola so odi na ile gore go tshabiwe go signa batho gore so I can only imagine gore no lane le ha kae go no
wa kwa kerano so na re gore re tsike wa bona but
and it's crazy gore if he believed gore mamphizi is such a backstabber why would he sign Makimo
kwa ntlhalogana ngondo
no barona eja cause no ga bereka
Nikra for him it's a business move but I'm saying all of you guys were all there together so you guys were clearly the ones that were loyal to Mampizi
exactly
so Gonar Majita bone ba bona opportunity and they took it so everyone thought at that point took advantage of what they could Mampizi and went on with what he could but that left you guys where
utsena khomotsa ka me bra ne re khomotsa ka ile re utla go mo ka betsa mo ditla ba re khome bra lene una bua lene
ne rena le diary yeska ya gore a o etsa ngoma go studio right tsara chintemba ka yo ra batla re dlala da go lebella gore ke go iregalang so re kwa rena le Mamphizi le out ya hantse re ntira bona mogolo ma era wa phaza a khandele ruka ithu
because not just that
actually
tunya
ona
o dirila balla
no swear no but we
don't like dikeledi ne re le mmogo gone da ibile ba re agents na re le go ndropa le tla boela da na ra go latla o di be re boela da rona ke re va re le thura ikitse re tshabisa
hands mo ma supatsela
na re tsana hela bra be re boela kwa rona then go ne be ra go plana gore okay ngoma ya rona itse ro akere ra go tsamai
rejelo
be ra go tsama manyoloi ara go tsama manyoloi gore ha o ka di bala sentle gore empulele ka gamang
I remember
haere o ska ntswala re ka gama
no that was the hardest house question diss track ever I can't remember like
o ska ntswala ni ntsilo wa rona lena so ne re ka gama
agre if you create something on namotlofa o tla re go ntlene re empulele ska ntswala wa ntshwara kra so party go ra re ba wina business move dirleng elebe go direga wa ntshwara kra so e re hupelwa re boela studio never empulele ka gamang wa ntshwara ese o ska ntswalla wa ntshwara kra so you can't anka se tsepina o ska be ke bapisana le wena mo go bapileng thata ke se game wa ntshwara kra
ke khale ba ipotsa emino o tswa kae ke khale ba ipotsa ba kwalwa ke boma wa judge
wa stressa to
ka tempa
no la itse malaita gare khatleka lona la itse majito
real because the hell.
No, this is real talk, bro.
It's real talk, and I appreciate that because, like, why were you guys quiet for all these years then?
Bro, because like I said, we did make it after that whole thing.
You guys were
We didn't have contracts by then. Because I
think even the people close to you guys didn't know.
There was.
Yeah. Because that's a major injustice. So no feel like okay, leads or like I
can obviously how it's all sure kana how we good this is me so okay kwa la go opela motho mo re kana make na batho ba itimela wena mo pelo ntse make blind a gro wa ikutla wena wa bona la
so
ga
re rupe so blind sky be re phetsa yone manyoloi tsa re phetsa manyoloi be re phetsa masupatsela be re wa re sa zame EP
be re mama medics
from that rockstar album be re la tlhalebena 5 tracks EP re dropa go tshwanela la album e tswang kwa dilwa
na ra
dilwa mo moeng
re lwa le
ya blow dinya ne da betsa tso
ra dipina tsa rona engwe ka dilwa ka Botswana ke tsa rona tsotlo ska le ba ra itwantsha rona ka borona wa ntshwara
oh my god
ra itwantsha
akrile ke yaro
ra itwantsha
so relationship ya teng yana because ga itse gore ke malaita a lona
le
gompieno you guys did a couple of shows I think Kokasane le out there you know ibile ne le pegile di flight e lo flight ba batho ba le 80 ke bokae
mona no sa duele rona
but like for you guys to still be doing gigs at this point in time and you guys are hanging out with each other na go tsele ha le ba level yana kana la hapana ne le buisana yana
no
braga
no ke batla va Oscar no
ya strata street
ne la strata
ine la strata ine le gore ke go tsontsore ke itse gore ha ke le nteng ke na le drone le backup because ine lo wa strata
let's share
because Brazil ke ene motho ile gore re khone go tsena go G West
Brazil
ne re sa khone go tsena go G West ile khanyoni
motho bia ke re nana le bifile bone
ba di ba 10 so gona re nna wa ingwa rona so be re khona go tsena go G West go gona daedeng a re lo la se strata mare re gena re bona ra kana mare ke la spana magitara spana
re ba go
a re tsweda wa
but do you remember any epic one a ke re mangwe itelo ka mpama mare hongwe show ene a tswalwa do you guys remember any one of them
naga gopola
mpolelelo one
na yo gopola
no ne se show ne le ko Chentemba every Sunday ne di wa ke so ne rena le go kopana gone kwa le
ka re birne le 5 pula
ne re kopana gone le go Majita kwa so Majita ba 4 na re 2 Majita ba le 4 na re le 2 ke ra done ke me bra au titu dia gore khawata ba 4 so re vote di bra tsa rona le rona be re vote be rada na snenning ntse re ntse gone ga re bana go loa amarele tse re lwa re le 4 2 ya makimo e sa tse di bra tsa rona di sa tse be na
na le mo
mare be re ve no ne se strata
okay I feel it because ne ke feel gore ha go kana gore ka ske hele go strateng especially knowing the character tse ile gore re bua ka tsone gona no nya ha gona o po batlang go tloelwa wa bona and at that point gore ne nkare ya no nkare gona le go tloela no go no ha le se le bui ka yone ever since yana because you guys hang out with each other I mean
we club together nanchaga straight ke java we always
nampincha ga ke
yeah
no yona ga ya
no like hundreds like more like in a week rabu
I see we resolve le se grot manela
ya ga re
Gore ga e
le
na
no
thata.
ya la re khona go rebella no ka ya no ra dlala ra a ba tlo tla go touch
Pastoral, yeah.
around it still re mageng
Yes, vara.
But the story had to be told. No,
Yeah.
gang.
Yes,
Yeah,
var.
yeah, true.
But how do you feel, or you could have handled it differently, or but handle it differently? Looking back, or what could you have done? It's different.
Between with what? Which part?
I don't know, man. Between you and your business, do you think anything could have been done differently?
Yes, tota not that blame me, but more this whole thing. We are young, we are hungry, excited and stuff. No contracts, no nothing, me bra. That's why I know we're still together. The Eskimos, they made it, we made it. Reshapu, Reyamo Podicast, we are young, hungry, excitement, me bra. So yeah, no, ke rotlets about contracts. Make sure you let's go to something important, me bra. Oh, what's a motopillar? How what am I going to be getting from this one? Now, so by then, none said the so times have changed. It's upcoming artist or monanamo go to school, understand how these things work. I wanna put any violence, put any hatred, went in to the pina because there was an understanding.
I feel how have you guys managed to keep your eyes on the prize? And ngare ne le sa dirisepe ne le hohela ngare la dirisiwa. For those people bona ba no ba kanya yalo, did it ever did you feel the need to react to it? Why didn't you ever react to it? Because this is the first time you niggas have ever said anything.
Yes. I would think this is the final chapter.
It
had to get heated like it is right now, bro.
Yes, sir.
There you me, bro. Go ira tse dilo go tse no go re tse botlhoko plan no ga re damage e bile na ka tsa ka gona go mafikeng ka ira ngwa tshwara kra hence the exodus the return one tshwara kra no go re damage tse thata no bookies no nothing, no music to be putting out there one tshwara ke wana manyole le masupatsela one tshwara kra ba batho ha bona ba ntse ba share no mo qelele no ntse go tops ga phone or where you can I put you back on studio stuff like that so it was damaging. No,
that's crazy, man.
No,
you guys deserve a round of applause. How about on a bitterness?
No.
Because I would be pissed.
Yeah.
But I'm a better man. There's something saying, you think are very unforgivable. Because why do you think MSK put the story the way he put it?
One other one. Okay,
na ya ga MSK ke yone le gore tota because na ha ke di bala MSK na go eo na se go gore mko MSK ngare na spana le cast bana le Mr. Masole mas so kabile ya ndiotsi
no but besides what we are saying gore bana ha ke ske mone go penna mo
na go ene na kwenyana yone le yana bua ka yone na se o dai ma
e kare has been there since day one and ke mo itse ka re small movement ona le bo ska le bo cast le bo vina go one tshwara gra but for him to be saying like studio magitata di pina this niggas were formed like in one day ole ha ka wena we ngos go re sa go bona yang me bra
na se ora Scarlito because na ke itse that guy na spinal cast
na javela cast
ba se ba le go
mo beka
ile a sentse le go masika
so o di kavela guy
no he knows too much
maruto
I knows too much you know too much sir
ya go bua ba nga di lo go fanda
it's tata Mosako.
What are some of the highlights though for Lona after Lona because these things I can edit lots of things because but about own story salon.
Yes,
everyone now has an opportunity to speak for themselves. What are some of the highs saying or the feel like really listen to more business in your music let your prime what was some of the upper highs there?
The upper highs, my bro, like you say, we still like sodas on Telegram. We are here with the new album. Is doing good after so many years on Telegram. The comeback, I think, like batho ba e amogetse like imagine o sa bolotswa mo gaming for 10 years how tsena be gore boom.
So the feeling right now
we won. Good. No
100,
stress.
bro.
100. No complaints,
that.
bro. Yes, hundreds. Wow, that's why mo gonyana go re go copisa that much. I mean, like it's been like boma 20 years. Been a ruang gone ka 20 years. Wow,
and it
that's why in ntse lo re king a re rashetse go tla kwano because na go ene majita ba le kore no go batla ile gore after that podcast ke ne tsene ya bone e be re zwagala so rona we decided gore re ga in chance
araba go
because a ke nana go e ne re tshuneng alba
malona
so ga re flopisi dio tse di lapileng
it's about 20 years back
di shebo flopisi ka dio tse di lapileng lebile go pele bra.
What is the relationship with Mampizi?
Is a na mo gona personally good brother of mine.
Na Mampizi a gonna flop ole.
That's vara. What do you think about people who think gore hana ke a ke le ka gore ke so elelina la gago from what you've seen on the show, because a lot of people think we're here and we're trying to make people hate Mampizi?
Na ubana wena rona Mampizi because gets a lot of negative thing. That's why the movement wa bona this movement mara bere hela re khona rotle ke ntja gago na personally that's how I know you and them, you see what I mean. Le rona ne re le teng wa ntshwara kra I don't think ko ro abo bua dilo tseleng gore person e be ditšwa mo go yana mara ke tsore ke ntja gago
because they are surprised at the stories and kana support the post.
Wa bona
because I wouldn't have even known this part and I was right there and I'm kinsa hagi posa how the but it makes sense because but not everyone was trying to bon nayana or balabala go re no wan khata
yeah true
how we kana re itimala he baba
ya ka ntse re itimala
wana o bitsoro wa go tshedisa ya
nkaninyana kana o bloile o
kana re
fuck because amanyulo e bloile mpulele e bloile ka re ke tsa rona rotlhe bana le nkane re na le nkane so king a gona ka tlang go mongwa re jeng tsa re bueng tla isota yone
nna fok ya no
ya no na le the brother via gore janjan lene na I think o dirile ke na re buletseng ditsela braka
bantlhalo so e thata re ka re nya what
Muzenda kanja
tabelo bokashi
true
ya re khona go bua a tshune di Spanish tse dingwe bona gore tikela
la re sa khotsofala re tikele mo go enough
tikela ka bona go iso go
a mona tikela o ka ra go boka braka a tsimola go tikela thata no ro
o to go tikela thata
a wa go tikela ke sure
ga lo fara tikela no kana rena le management
management o kavango
management o kavango inza re monela after kana ya don kana lo you've been seen with some really pretty women in this music industry.
Women
basadi yana how are you
hey there man
how were you able to get Zen?
No, she's always been my lady, bro. Because we met road recently at our prime. Mas sansa someone like this thing. Sansa kile yone dancer a V, made my super tela, nansa promoter V and stuff like that. But man, there's a cool nigga. Rented even like our grand. Babap, hundreds.
Who are the celebrity girls that you guys have dated? Ke hakopa or lempolele kana go ne le bloile thata na re sa itse ya
ana mantsa e ta
ora lista ga he
no
ke ra lo wena
ora lista
no go na bana ba tswetse
o isuru wa kira o hetselene pele o listinya
ba bokawana no I remember okay I remember Zen. I remember give me some of them pa
le bada show le bada show
no okay
are pampa mo le podcast are you sure
khawgana ka bogare
nya tletla re khawga nya tla re tha ya re motho no gapa ke ro bua ke la itaga so
yeah because you guys were all over the newspapers
yeah
so ne celebrity couple so what happened e le gore leptle le betshole na ne setse ke tsa gore tabele lona ba le shatile
no ne re chile stage so ka bo covid ne re betsa la covid a ka nne le cheap
I don't believe you.
I'm telling you bro No, it's still one, bro. It's still one.
Oh.
Her grand. I was talking to her this weekend, though.
Oh.
I go to manifesto at the manifesto. No, again, Chag. No, she's my day one. Good people like that, you can't just like that. Wow.
Hey man, how is it though dating Mutuel of that caliber? Like having to keep like some of these things outside of the public and stuff like that. Is that something you like, or because of Rata Motu you gotta do it?
The thing is kidon so na go normal mo go nna ba to mo batho ba khuba ba na go siame no, but like for rules I know go grandela me bro though no lifestyle I think if you can't get what's happening, you can't be you can't understand. Like you say in celebrity couple and stuff like that. I feel that. Yeah, you know.
Auntie, we're not on your
I'm Kasi, bro.
Nah. Ash, Brak. For Horinyala.
Monaska, it's on Tirala Matata.
Thank you.
Hey, that's when you write Selene.
Hey, it's Selene, what I will.
Marana for Casa Braga,
it's valid that.
Sure.
But are you trying to do it? Because at this certain age, you are sitting before tigers. Don't know how you look. 4
tigers, no, you're not planning.
Hey.
So,
on Alabama's allow or close lane and whatever.
Yeah.
I need to ask. Kana o itse king go kana pa o ka tshela le fashionista le monte ke a bona re tsalame wa bona ga ba tetse dipota
no na Scarlito for now braga senze ke blomile ne ke la pile tlhalo
yes wa araba ya no
o tswa mo semo
wa araba ya
no ne ke tswa mo die mo nyane ntse di lapisa ntlhaloganye so ke blomile wa di kava di emotsi
okay, but do you have kids though, like
yeah na ke na le ntwana nyane e one ke out here
that's bad. Don dumedisa bonana ba go lebella selo kwa
bami bonana ba mo ko mafikeng
you guys are coming back wa bona la jiga gona no nyana into the music industry and the Exodus the Return, the album is ya dirwa gona no nyana. What do you think ka state some music gona no nyana re lebeletse the streaming what le batho ba ile le sale le razaka ka di CD ka di tapes madi a different now the streaming platform.
Yes,
what do you think about state sa sound ya ka ntse gona no nya? I think both of you can give me an answer.
Yeah, for now Exodus the Return ete mo di Spotify gongwe le gongwe teng, YouTube teng wa check Exodus BW music wa create di video di teng mo Spotify.
Di change.
Hey,
Maranyane boss.
Hey, don't that's it.
Atla edita bra.
Why I'm frostana bra. So the platform what's like our fella Redam.
Little la tela.
Exodus BW music.
But aka intsi business gona no nyana. Keep bizarrity le gore le feel like because the other day mo ngwana botsa benti ka yona dai ya teng gore value ya teng we bona ha ka ya maletsa gompieno because music how it's like before, and then e ba bua ka bo di merchandise di show kore o tlakisa batho ka sound o bo ba rekisetsa di product tse ding batho ba rekisa di lightara batho ba rekisa tse dingwe. Is that something saying gore le bona le lona you can get into, because ke a bona gore le setse le na le gating the Kasi brand le tlhola le represent as well, so ke le ka go bona gone gore a le bone ga ile gore le tlo go itshwama teng
tlamana ra kantsalo because like u bua re rapara the Kasi brand ne I was thinking but bana ba re boya le sa itirele ga lona because obviously
Ska ba retsa thata.
bana
le go ntsha batho mo
mo molaene wa ntshwara kra so mara gone not gore ba wrong wa ntshwara kra wa like but yeah lina wa setse le le tona le rona maybe ka dire t-shirt starting of smallanyana wa ntshwara kra
so ba nne ba tsa gore ka sikana ke ya
ultimately ba dira ya bona the reason e kiri ya long gore we wouldn't have this podcast in itumaka itumile angabe ke sena local corner ba angabe ke ile go ipulela YouTube channel la ke ta raise about 500 but look at where we are right now we're able to
no you big big
no we bile yo no
you big
big what's wrong with growing together wa bona ke so I this guy ba to ba lirisa design ka bona go sometimes because you are affiliated with a brand that's also popping brand na ya popper le gona gore le create goal tsa lona lotho
mara so far you rakantse exactly like you just said you need to wa bona
ka bona it's already showing itself ka ditiro tsa itse le dira as far as the studio the return you guys are working on it I've heard ne go utlwa ibile le se gona o post di pina thata lo ena pa o di reditse mo studio ba go di hetsa ka bona you tule ngwe ya groove nya
so fast
tsa mo go delete right
it's not delete o mo chaele straight it's not me and dog
apa ya go delete
because e o buang ka yona kana e fresh
and botso hanga be ke okay maybe ka gore bathabana go e bona botle kana go e one gore I delete because groove
re delete
groove ele halka taka yone
ke singile gore e tshonzo go drop you after Exodus the return
so who are you guys working with in the studio can I want to create tsone dipina tsa yone this album
Exodus the return
Exodus the return
Kala Kutara cause
Mr. Babs
text Kala Kutara cause
no doubt how did you guys get with text
long relationship has house na gona tsone story tsone tse re bua ka tsona
ba text for those who don't know is Eric Ramco's younger brother they were partners they've always been partners how bona di album tse tse di go le go te text ka morago tseo go taba ene re
ba ba re tsa ba ra go dira this Exodus the return
go packs rap
wa bona engwe part of Exodus the return ke some guy got the tapelo mo Juda but that one and na dira the house kwasa sound wa bona Big T Productions tapelo mo Juda tse dingwe tse tsotlhe ke text Kala Kutara records
wow
yes sir
so groovy on listen kai thing because the experimental from that Clockworks album Rockstar to the Magnolias and you know now
holiday no to take sound we just was zero I want no never create sound bro we not like choose it I want
can't think about the more radio on that is in the
ara sa qaf
if ura bona bo zero
mar di ke di dlala na khona go khabedisa radio nyana ga lela re ke khona go dutla di dlala
mar le sengane sone mo cause bots relationship tsa rona le bone ke boya
no sharp
sharp
le register le sengwe le ba ka sengwe
yes
ke gone se re ka se bolela mongwe le mongwe I think people should just try and register so bo so koma le bo shaile and the hit di se di dule
di gona mo
ke tsone di mo DSP mo streaming platform okay so the response to them even at the shows people are but
so far that's the topang now to me personally there's a song at Morena there's a song it's a gospel song and then Shaile ke ne shitwa ke Jack Botlhokwete mo YouTube Shaile and Morena le holiday sample la ga
holiday ga se ya bogologolo
you I could we didn't get to release it by then bra you know everybody is holiday bra
I'm a fan first
no thank bro
wow man this is some great news this is some great news and I love the energy that you guys are returning to this thing Kayon I don't know for you guys as far as the top 5 house kwasa groups to ever come out of BW. Can you give me your top 5? I think Dono Tampara. I'm a bit anti-Mpara. Dono, it's a mark alphabetical order. From 5 to number 1.
Daryl.
Ate from 5. O simola go tlase.
E simola go tlase.
Simola go tlase wa go.
Number 5 V.
Number
5 4 3 2 1.
We already know number 1. Okay, maybe Ari yalo Ari.
No still wa fa. O dirile. Exodus. Eskimos. A ki tsoro ga scoop ke house kwasa kana ki. Ake show.
Yes, scoop.
Zolasco. Yeah.
Yeah, ne. Tana go sgadisho. Okay. Tagu.
Ke tswa ka kana go from 5 kana ke simola go.
5 to 1.
Ke tswa go tlase again.
From 5 to 1.
Eskimos. 5 again.
5.
Re tswa go tlase ra go.
Hey, ke na mabukoti.
O tswa go 5 wa go tlase.
Just give me a 5.
5. Nale nanga 1.
Ne ke thagera ro 1. 5. No ga dlala ne ke bua nnete ga ntla mola. A re tswa from 1. Tar boswa Mampizi, Exodus, Eskimos, tar Mingo ka kentonaka. Ba bo hela ke tsura ke kwasa kana ke house kwasa. Some chick kana ke mone this weekend na tlo re support go malotwana ke tla soga lady.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Mosako lady.
Yeah.
No,
she's good. I saw it was my first time seeing her on stage this past weekend.
We na kwasa.
I keep to gigging.
Mara ga house
Ku
kwasa.
tile botende matlhale mo teng yela.
No ga house kwasa. Kore a
Ke house kwasa,
ka gore bone
Ba bina se
ba
kwasa.
dirisitse matlhale go hlela le bangwe yotlhe ba ba.
No, but she's good. She's very good. Swagger lady ke
What about wizards?
Oh, our bras bana. Ke go ba tsenya kae? Ke ntsha mang?
O bata go ntsha.
No,
No, you can replace.
No, I you 10.
Or I read 10.
Tar bonus la wizards done. Yeah, I get the Grotman Tarun.
Do you ever see House Kwasa making a comeback? At all.
I think one of the loyal to quarter but they stick to like but was splash like a cabs at a small I would say so loro rabas was about in to the hell that out there once man it's a personally
But what do you think can be done though on the culture your music industry, because ever since what do you think what do you think needs to be done mo Botswana go he music industry an opportunity gore re gona re bona sengane like before go nne le activity like before, or do you think it's back there? Because I still think gore you know di tlhwatlhwa tsa dio tse di tshwanang le tse you know the venue le tsone. I mean a gona le sengwe se le gore le sa identify le se le gore le feel gore ha se ska look playing on the radio,
yes,
you know those little things. What do you think can be done to put Exodus in a better position for you know, they can fill their pockets with money from that music?
Nah, for na personally, I think you should start from the top. Like as much as sports and stuff, more recognize music. Now we can do traditional. If you are making an event, what it's some big thing ko stadium sa Botswana le rona find out gore nyame re ka mixa ka wa ntshwara kra give us mo o itse music what I hear that part wa bona ka khona difame kana gona le ba di hip hop asoro ha gote Botswana like a big corporate event get traditional music something like that one ntshwara there's hip hop there's go different iseng rona hela you see what I mean gona le ba ngo go dimba le ba khona go identify gore nyame a go re remix yana le so
definitely
ba ba itse
I think I heard the president Abigail kana I think meeting on nana lone le ba diragatse gore a rena le ko Mozambique kana a rena le ko kae go eleng gore Mozambique gona gore ba go tsenyetse batho ba le 6 ele like a state dinner mara batho ba le 6 ba o mo opela se o mo opela se
thank you
barona
thank you
and all the time, so I think maybe Well, I mean, will hold him to his word.
Yes.
Next time,
Yes.
I'm not announcing thing.
Thanks, Libadi. Thanks, Podicast. Yeah, local.
I mean,
peace, man.
guys don't have a lot of words. This is the most that we can get out of them. But we
final
really
chapter closed.
Yeah.
The album is coming out. Exodus: The Return.
Yes,
The singles are coming out. Check them out online. So Koma Shaili Dihiti. We also mentioned Gorille Holiday is also the remake of the original Yabone. Was the sample Yanaga Madonna. Guys.
Yeah.
That was my jam, homie.
I
know. Big up, guys. And that's how we end our conversation with the homies. We're going to get on to Dr. Kiran, getting healthy on the PODI-CAST. And from Majita.
All about it. Was all about it.
Sure.
Different identities. Podcast with PODI-CAST.
All right, guys, you're still hanging out on the PODI-CAST with your boy SCAR, and like we told you, we're worried about your health, and we're worried about our own health as well, and this is why we have this special segment right here on the PODI-CAST. After every interview, we get to hang out with our resident know-it-all doctor, because I think he knows a whole lot, man. And he's going to be in the house and talking to us a little bit more about hypertension. Well, not hypertension, but non-communicable diseases, including the likes of hypertension. Last time we talked a little bit about heart disease, but I think we didn't get into all of the cardiovascular diseases that we can get into. So without further ado, to talk a little bit more about those cardiovascular diseases from Campus Green Day Hospital right here in Gap City, Dr. Karen.
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
Great. I'm always happy to see you because I get to learn. And just like we saw in the comments, there's a lot of people who are very, very interested in what you have to say about all of these diseases that we got going around, which are non-communicable diseases, which we've brought to our attention. And it seems that after talking about the hypertensions of this world, there seems to be more than just that. So I don't know if you want to elaborate more about what are the other cardiovascular diseases that we have out there, except for the ones that we talked about in the last couple of weeks.
Right. Thanks, Ska.
Yeah.
Nice to be back.
Thank you for having
Usual.
me.
And thank you very much. Yes, last week we did touch on cardiovascular disease.
Yes, sir.
Just to recap, it's a huge part of the NCDs. And when we talk about cardiovascular disease, as I said, the cardiovascular system comprises of three things: the heart, the blood vessels, and the blood.
Yeah.
So when we were talking about hypertension last week, we were covering diseases that affect the blood vessels because the heart has too much pressure, and what happens, there's damage to the blood vessels.
Yes, sir.
But there are other conditions apart from hypertension which also come under cardiovascular disease.
Okay.
And I'm sure there's one thing that you've heard of many times before. You've heard of cholesterol, right?
Hey, is this where they measure that body something index? Weight index? And because it always seems like if you have more cholesterol, then that index apparently doesn't fall nicely. I don't know. Your body mass as compared to your fat in your body. Is that what we're talking about here?
Well, something like that, not exactly. You see, when we're talking about the body mass index, okay, just like we're talking about hypertension and the NCDs requiring you to lose weight, we have to be within our body mass index. So it's basically an index. It's a ratio between the height and the weight. So if you're a certain height, this is the weight you're supposed to be. Okay. Now, if you're above that, then you could be unhealthy. You could be overweight. You could be obese. There are different levels to it. Like if you have a BMI of 25, you're healthy. But anything above that, you're overweight. Then when you cross 30, you're obese. When you cross 40, you're morbidly obese. It shows that you are too heavy for your height.
Thank you for saying that I got the answer wrong in the nicest possible way. What is cholesterol?
But you see, in a way you're correct, because many people have this misconception that you see cholesterol fat. Yes, obviously you see if a person has more fat in the body, they're going to be heavier. Their BMI is going to be more. But it's not always the case. Some people have more muscle, some people have more bone mass, but most of the times your BMI is high and above where it's supposed to be, because there's too much fat in the body.
Yeah.
Okay, but now when we talk about cholesterol, many people think cholesterol, fat are the same. No, cholesterol is a little more complicated than that, okay? But for the sake of simplifying it, it's a type of fat. But it's also not just a bad fat. Just like anything else, there are two sides to it.
Okay.
There's a good part to it, and there's a bad part to it.
A good part?
Yes.
I've never heard of this one. I think that's where we should start. What is the good part of cholesterol?
That's exactly why I said there's a good part. Because people, when you talk about cholesterol, everyone is scared. Oh my God, cholesterol, cholesterol. Look, cholesterol is an essential part of the body. If you go back to the most minute structure in the body, the cell, we are made of billions of cells. Every single organ has millions of cells. So we are made of a number of cells, and each cell here, cells are not rigid, you know, they have to be a bit wobbly.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we would be rigid as well. But here I can balance, here I can do that. We have a bit of elasticity in us. At the cellular level, the cell membrane, which covers all the contents of the cell, requires cholesterol.
Okay. To make it wobbly?
Yes,
so
exactly. So if you didn't have cholesterol, it would be a problem.
Yeah, okay.
Cells have to communicate with each other. They have to be flexible, and this is where cholesterol comes in. But apart from that, cholesterol is useful for a number of chemicals to be produced in the body, and these include hormones, just like the estrogen, your testosterone, the male hormone. We need cholesterol to produce that. So it serves that function. The other thing is it's also necessary in the formation of vitamin D, which is very important for your bones, for your teeth. So it plays those important roles. It also plays an important role in digestion. We have bile acids produced by the liver. Cholesterol is required. It's part of the bile, and that helps in digestion. So without cholesterol, we would die. So cholesterol, that's the good part of cholesterol.
Now to the dark side.
Now let's go to the dark side. There's always a bad side. So what's the bad side? Now, cholesterol, you can consider it as a fatty substance. Okay. It's more complicated than that, but you have different types of cholesterol. You have what we call the HDL cholesterol and the LDL cholesterol. So there's, again, good cholesterol and bad cholesterol. Let's go to the bad cholesterol. Let's take a person who has enough cholesterol in his body. According to, a blood test, it will tell you that your cholesterol levels are normal. But if you get a blood test and they tell you that your cholesterol levels are high, then you have to look at that cholesterol result and break it down, because it's broken down into different types of cholesterol.
Okay.
So in that you have the good cholesterol, the HDL cholesterol, and the bad cholesterol, the LDL cholesterol, which is a low-density lipoprotein cholesterol. So let's say you have an excess of the bad cholesterol. Cholesterol has this tendency to go and stick to the arteries, the blood vessels. So as it keeps sticking to the blood vessel, along with other risk factors such as high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, all these risk factors for cardiovascular disease, as it sticks to the blood vessels, it can form a plaque. You see, the lumen of the blood vessel becomes smaller and smaller because it's getting obstructed. You see, you have a lumen that's supposed to be this much, and all of a sudden, in between, you have cholesterol depositing and other stuff. And so, all of a sudden, the amount of space that blood can flow through is reduced. So this is what it does with blood vessels. Now, when it does that, what happens?
No, actually, I want to start with what causes it. I mean, is it the meat that we eat? If, let's say I take out a little bit of the fat from my steak, am I reducing my chances of getting the bad cholesterol? Let's start there to try and make it as easy as possible for someone to know, okay, this could be the end result if I do this.
Going back to our previous episodes, I told you about a genetic makeup. Every one of us has a genetic makeup that makes us vulnerable to certain conditions. So whether it's blood pressure, it runs in families, it's genetic. The same with cholesterol. Many people have it running in their blood, the genes, it's a genetic makeup. So the enzymes that are processing this cholesterol, breaking it down, are not working as good as a person who has good genes. So cholesterol runs in families, so that's the main thing. So you really wouldn't know as well. You could be thin. You could be half the size of someone else, but they could have less cholesterol than you. So being thin doesn't rule out you not having cholesterol. So there's a genetic makeup. So these are things that you can't avoid, okay? So naturally what you have to do, you have to look at your diet. And this is where you were talking about, diet.
Yeah.
Yes, indeed. If you do watch your diet, you could regulate the bad type of fats that you're taking in. So it's important because with cholesterol, it's mainly available in animal fats because most of the animal products, you're talking about cheese, you're talking about red meat, that's beef, pork, all these products have saturated fats.
Yeah.
So this increases the chances of you having high cholesterol levels.
So what can happen to you if, you have some of the bad stuff? What are some of the diseases, or some of the side effects that, can happen to your body that you can immediately start seeing or start thinking, I need to go and check on the doctor. This might be headed in the wrong direction.
The NCDs, going back, they are slowly progressive. You wouldn't even know you have them.
Yeah.
Just as I said, you would come to my clinic and then I'd check your blood cholesterol levels and then I'd say, hey, this is the story. So you wouldn't know unless you get checked, okay?
Yeah.
But what does this do? Now, all the time that you're not checking your blood cholesterol levels and you are vulnerable to it because of your family risk factors and everything, and you're not taking care of your diet, what eventually happens, this cholesterol tends to deposit in these arteries and makes them smaller and smaller. So let's take the heart, for instance. How do you get a heart attack? The heart itself, I said, is a small organ, fist-sized, about 300 to 400 grams sitting in the left side, but it has its own blood supply called the coronary blood supply. These vessels are smaller than other blood vessels because they're supplying a small organ. But they play a very important role because the heart needs that blood, because it needs oxygen, it needs glucose in order for the muscle to beat. It's a specialized muscle. Imagine those blood vessels start becoming smaller in diameter, so you have less flow to the heart. You have less oxygen, less glucose. Eventually, at some point, the heart will not be able to take it because it's muscle, it needs that oxygen. A certain part of the heart dies, the whole conduction system fails. That's how a heart attack comes.
Wow.
So, high blood pressure, high cholesterol.
Yeah, we need to definitely just make sure you check on your doctor and at least try and get a full body checkout if possible. I don't know how much they cost these days, but like we need to start having a relationship with our doctors. With that said, I don't know if you have any last words, Dr. Kieran, for this session pertaining to your cholesterol. And, I know there are things that we can do to try and mitigate whatever we are experiencing because of our genetic makeups. But is it all that we need to do? Eat healthier and exercise.
Yes, eat healthier, definitely. You want to reduce unsaturated fats and animal fats and all. But the next point is we talk about exercise. Now, remember, I was telling you there's also good cholesterol.
Yeah.
It's called HDL. It's high-density lipoprotein. It's a bigger molecule than the bad cholesterol.
Yeah.
And to a certain extent, it does help to prevent heart disease because as it's increased in your blood system, it tends to scrape the little particles of the bad cholesterol away.
Okay.
So how do you increase your HDL? That's where exercise comes in.
Awesome stuff. All right.
So exercise is important, watching your diet is important, and if you are diagnosed with high cholesterol, you should stop smoking because smoking causes damage to blood vessels, and that can cause a rupture of a plaque, and it can cause obstruction of flow. That's even how strokes come about. So if you've got high cholesterol, high blood pressure, you should quit smoking.
I just think there's a lot of rooms that went silent after that one. Kids are looking at that, daddy, no.
That happens, I'm sure.
No doubt. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you very
Kieran. And
much.
like we said, you should definitely check out, the comment section so that you can ask your questions. But if you have any other extra questions for Dr. Kieran, you can always send them through to us right here at podicastwithscar@gmail.com, and then we'll definitely pass them through. Or you can check them out on our Facebook page. It's right on the screen. That is your Podicast for today. Thank you for hanging out. We'll check you guys out next week. Peace.
People of different identities.